Good morning, guys. This is another profile pop-up, this time for Ali. And my theme today is 37 reasons I recommend switching gears to sell yourself. Now, what I mean by that is he's obviously a switchgear sales engineer and project manager, and that's all fine. You could use a little more of a bite right there to say what makes you great. And what I really like, I've noticed right off the bat, is these special symbols that you have for the bullets. Those are very catchy. The fact that they're like a little arrow. I actually missed it at first when I was looking at your profile on the desktop. But the other big thing that I notice is you've got every single statement using those bullets. So actually, I would almost suggest that that's a little bit too much. What I would rather see you do, and this is the main point that I'm going to suggest, if I scroll all the way down here, you have 37 different recommendations. That is huge. That is absolutely huge. I mean, most people barely have one or two. So you've got 37 reasons, 37 recommendations that you can use here and take full advantage of and put it in the words of the people that are giving you those recommendations. That is such a huge social sell, and it sells you for you. That I would try to work that in here more. I would try to use these bullets a little bit less, have a little bit more of a personal flair here. Sell yourself. Tell us about you personally. What makes you passionate about switchgear and sales and being an engineer. Get a little bit more of a way for us to know, like, and trust you. And that, as the saying goes, if we know, like, and trust you, we will do business with you. So do that. And then, the flip side is too, I noticed, for your experience, it's all one big solid thing of text. So you've kind of gone full circle and you've done it both ways. So you went from all bullets at the top in the summary to no bullets in the experience. You need a little bit of a combination. And actually, in some of the comments in a recent post, and offline even, I was having this discussion, is that you don't want it to be all bullets, nor do you want it to be all text like this. It needs to be a little bit of a mix. Draw people in, if you can, with the text, because you notice on the phone, I've got one tap. I had to scroll all the way down here to the education or the experience, and then I have to tap here again. You want to make sure that that top part is enough to make me want to tap and open that up. The same thing with if you have anything longer, like let's say here in your volunteering work. Whatever is showing on the phone, especially as more than 60% of the people are now using phones and apps, make sure that it grabs their attention. Doesn't have to be all bullets, but you definitely want to get people's attention to make sure you sell yourself and have them want to be focusing on you. Hope that helped. Stay tuned for more that are just like this, but hopefully this is all coming together from all the past ones. Hope that all makes sense. Thanks so much, Ali. Have a great one, guys.